Hi, friend. Welcome to Kid Zone, the happiest place to learn and have fun. Today, we are going to learn English conversation. What class do you read in? Again, I ask you, what class do you read in?
I read in class nursery. I read in class nursery.
What is your roll number?
My roll number is 11. My roll number is 11.
How many students are there in your class? Again, I ask you, how many students are there in your class?
There are 16 students in my class. There are 16 students in my class.
How many teachers are there in your class? How many teachers are there in your class?
There are 7 teachers in my class. There are 7 teachers in my class.
Who is your class teacher? Who is your class teacher?
Shamima Nasnin is our class teacher. Shamima Nasnin is our class teacher.
When does your class start? When does your class start?
My class starts at 8:30 a.m. My class starts at 8:30 a.m.
When does your get over? When does your get over?
My class gets over at 10:40 a.m. My class gets over at 10:40 a.m.
If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating great content. Please subscribe.